To you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Illinois, and we're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Robin with Learn About Law, and in this video I'm going to discuss how to prepare for divorce mediation in Illinois. Mediation can help couples resolve their divorce in a quicker and less costly process than litigation. Additionally, with mediation, the parties retain control over the process and retain control over the outcome of the divorce. For couples who have chosen to proceed with the mediation process, there are some things they can do to increase their likelihood of mediation success. Should I consult an attorney prior to beginning divorce mediation in Illinois? Consulting with an attorney prior to mediation can be extremely helpful. An attorney can advise you as to the range of possibilities that a judge may order if you proceeded with litigation. Your attorney can also advise you of your rights and responsibilities as it relates to your divorce. Having this information in advance of proceeding with mediation will give you the necessary tools to know whether or not you should enter into a settlement agreement. Your attorney can also advise you on the possible time, expense, and emotional toll of litigation. Consulting with an attorney prior to mediation also minimizes the chance of the parties reaching an agreement, having their attorneys review the agreement, one party realizing the range of outcomes if the case was litigated, and then the entire agreement unravels before it's entered into a court order. What should I expect when entering into Illinois divorce mediation? It's important to begin mediation with a cooperative mindset. If you come into the process being aggressive and disagreeable, mediation will likely fail. The premise behind choosing mediation over litigation is the parties want to engage in a collaborative process where they maintain control of the final outcome instead of a judge. Mediation is most successful when the parties can, with the help of the mediator, identify their mutual goals and interests and work together to reach a resolution that will address those goals and interests. What do I need to know prior to an Illinois divorce mediation? Prior to beginning mediation, both parties should understand their interests. When establishing a list of interests, it's important to understand the difference between a position and an interest. A position is a statement on where a party stands. An interest is the underlying reason or motivation for the position. Here's an example to illustrate the difference between an interest and a position. I want to have an active role in my child's day-to-day activities, including being able to help with homework during the week, interest, versus I want sole custody, position. A skilled mediator will be able to tease apart interests from positions, but the process will be streamlined if the parties come to mediation with a better understanding of their interests instead of starting by taking positions on different issues. When trying to determine an interest instead of a position, ask yourself why you want something. That will usually result in an interest instead of a position. Thanks for watching. To learn more about how to prepare for divorce mediation in Illinois, check out our article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.